In no less than 2 months, Dogecoin, Doge, the especially well-known image cryptographic money, for the most part, went from being a simple joke to a $90 billion computerized resource. At the levels of its cost and fame in a by and large significant manner, it essentially is as yet the discussion of the crypto market, with a development of more than 3,200% in 2021, that for the most part hit an untouched certainly high of 74 cents on 8 May, which in every practical sense is very critical. Dogecoin fundamentally began as a joke. However, its resurgent fame urged the makers to get back to the venture and foster a move up to the convention, or so they thought. Despite the fact that Dogecoin in every practical sense has in a real sense had a cost drop in the new market slump, it is as yet one of the actually the best digital forms of money in cost and mass reception in a quite huge manner. So generally let us see the reason why Dogecoin will skyrocket to levels before very long. Why explicitly pick Dogecoin, which is very huge. The image crypto token truly was made to make fun of the multiplication of Bitcoin knockoffs in a significant manner. Be that as it may, today, with an astounding flood in its value, Doge is one of the truly quickest developing digital forms of money, which explicitly is very critical. The especially token truly found its applications in moving limited quantities of cash immediately, with low exchanging charges a significant way. Virtual entertainment clients likewise utilize Dogecoin to tip content makers from a safe wallet and safeguard their security, or so they thought. Moreover, this notorious coin sort of is produced using a fork of Bitcoin and partakes in its special advantages, which is very huge. Doge ultimately especially prevailed upon financial backers' trust, who really understood that it was not only a Ponzi conspire, however, had a few genuine applications in a quite large manner. It has a low passage cost as Doge tokens scarcely cost a couple of pennies. As the ubiquity of the coin expanded, so did the interest and supply, which generally is very huge. Is Dogecoin going to skyrocket in 2023 in an essentially huge manner? Despite the fact that it began as a tech nerd parody, Dogecoin's blockchain, confirmation of work process, and printing strategies in a real sense are steady, productive, and secure, supporting the coin's cost, which truly is very critical. As crypto geeks perceived its true capacity, the especially token generally begun gathering an essentially genuine following, which fundamentally is very critical. Dogecoin truly has seen a huge increment starting from the start of 2021. However, it essentially was additionally up to speed in the more extensive digital money market sell-off last year, which sort of was mostly provoked by Elon Musk's tweets. In every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking, notwithstanding, Dogecoin actually shows indications of sort of promising development that will pretty reasonable make its past cost forecasts sort of materialized soon in an unpretentious manner. A significant point about Dogecoin essentially is that it consumes incredibly little energy. It is vital, particularly now, as digital currencies especially are being censured as exceptionally energy concentrated, or so they truly thought. Nonetheless, not at all like Bitcoin, Doge most certainly utilizes the script mining calculation, making it profoundly energy proficient and harmless to the ecosystem, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Musk, the barely the most intense voice on the lookout for Dogecoin, in a real sense posted exceptionally a few tweets supporting the coin that basically drove momentary spikes in the cost. Nonetheless, it explicitly has still essentially stayed under tension. Late posting on well-known trades. One of the huge justifications for why Dogecoin will soar in 2022 is Coinbase's declaration that Dogecoin is being recorded on their trades all over the planet. The Dogecoin Coinbase posting explicitly was a piece of truly sure news for financial backers and holders, as Coinbase sort of is one of the actually the greatest crypto trades on the planet incredibly. This will ultimately really support Doge's worth as a huge number of Coinbase clients presently approach purchasing the token, siphoning up its cost in an exceptionally large manner. Alongside Coinbase, crypto trades like Gemini and multi-resource financier eToro additionally recorded Dogecoin in 2021, which pulled in additional clients to its ongoing client base in an exceptionally significant manner. Inflationary digital currency in a quite huge manner. A conspicuous component that isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins accessible today basically is expansion. Bitcoin and fundamentally a few sort of other digital currencies are deflationary in nature, formed to have an essentially hard stockpile cap of monetary standards, or so they for the most part thought. The fundamentally likely issue here explicitly is that once the cap generally is reached, it could for the most part fail to be a productive resource for excavators. At last, the cost of the token could rise immensely sort of high in a really significant manner, while Dogecoin, as opposed to attempting to basically beat flattening, relies upon it in an unpretentious way. New Doge can in any case be mined, regardless of whether there for the most part is a gigantic drop in its worth. These recently mined coins will ultimately especially supplant the lost ones to support a by and large consistent stock of around 100 million truly dynamic Dogecoin tokens in an unobtrusive manner. This system will help Dogecoin as it can fundamentally be acknowledged as a feasible vehicle of trade around the world, prompting mass reception. Expanding media prevalence with the web humming about Dogecoin, there really is no question that its cost would skyrocket higher than ever toward 2021 in an unpretentious manner's end. Doge basically is a special digital currency with clients across especially virtual entertainment organizations like Reddit, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook, who emphatically impact the cost. Elon Musk has forever been and proceeds to explicitly be a fervent ally of the coin, with his series of tweets calling himself the Dogefather and in any event, recommending that Tesla could basically acknowledge it as a method of installment as opposed to Bitcoin, which by and large is genuinely huge. This generally has commonly helped its cost for the time being, gathering support from all areas in a sort of significant manner, despite the fact that the crypto local area for the most part is reprimanded him at controlling the costs of tokens like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. He in every practical sense reaffirmed his help for Doge by posting one more image on his Twitter, for the most part handle in a genuinely enormous manner. In any case, Musk explicitly has been generally joined by tycoon business visionaries like Mark Cuban and brands, for example, Giggles and Kind of Thin Jim Hamburger Jerky, showing their help and confidence in the image token through online entertainment, directs in every practical sense huge way. Every one of these have on the whole soared the cost of Dogecoin in the market as of late in an especially significant manner, expanding selections, which most certainly is very huge. The certainly exceptional and lively Dogecoin people group generally has energized the really token cost, situating it as a potential speculation choice for financial backers, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Today, the quantity of organizations tolerating Doge as a method of installment sort of has expanded hugely, which explicitly is very critical. In WOC 2021, noticeable networks like Dallas Freethinkers, Tweet, NBA Group, Very Good Quality Vehicle Sales Center Post Oak Engine Vehicles, Extravagance Resort Organization The Kessler Assortment, and Kind of Latvian carrier airBaltic basically added Doge to their acknowledged installment techniques in an unpretentious manner. The digital currency ATM administrator CoinFlip likewise added Dogecoin to its organization of 1,800 terminals across the US, helping its reception. Adding to its resurgence, BitPay, the biggest supplier of crypto installment administrations, likewise for the most part,